What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Did you miss me? Of course you did. JR here, and today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of baking soda. You might think of it as just a simple kitchen ingredient, but trust me, it's so much more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of your pantry. This pantry staple is more than just an ingredient for cookies. It's a survival powerhouse. From cleaning to first aid, baking soda has got you covered. Seriously, it's like the MacGyver of household items. We're talking 15 mind-blowing ways baking soda can save your bacon in a pinch. Whether you're out in the wild or just dealing with everyday emergencies, this stuff is a game changer. And no, it won't actually save your bacon, but close enough. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to reveal a survival hack using baking soda that will change your life. You won't believe how versatile and essential this common household item can be. Spoiler alert, it's not just for volcano science projects. But first, if you're new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future life-saving tips and tricks. We've got a lot of exciting content coming your way, and you won't want to miss a single episode. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Baking soda for insect bites. Itch, be gone. Spending time outdoors is awesome, but those pesky mosquitoes and bugs can put a real damper on things. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just having a picnic in the park, insect bites can be a real nuisance. If you find yourself covered in itchy bites, reach for the baking soda. This common household item can be a lifesaver when it comes to soothing irritated skin. Create a soothing paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your skin without dripping. Apply this paste to your insect bites to relieve itching and reduce inflammation. Make sure to cover the entire affected area for the best results. Baking soda helps to neutralize the insect's venom, providing much needed relief. It's like magic. Not only does it stop the itch, but it also helps to reduce swelling and redness, making your skin feel much better in no time. Baking soda cleaning agent. Clean everything. Baking soda is a cleaning powerhouse. From scrubbing pots and pans to removing stubborn stains, baking soda is your new best friend. Sprinkle some baking soda on a damp sponge or cloth and use it to clean a variety of surfaces. It's tough on grime, but gentle enough to use on delicate surfaces. Plus, it's non-toxic, so you can feel good about using it around your family and pets. Baking soda foot soak. To pamper your feet. After a long day of hiking or being on your feet, treat yourself to a relaxing baking soda foot soak. Simply dissolve half a cup of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Baking soda helps to neutralize odors, soften calluses, and soothe tired feet. It's like a spa day for your feet. Baking soda dry shampoo. No shower? No problem. In a survival situation, showering isn't always an option, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice hygiene altogether. Baking soda can be used as a dry shampoo to absorb excess oil and dirt from your hair. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda onto your roots, massage it into your scalp, and brush thoroughly. Your hair will look and feel fresher in an instant. Baking soda mouthwash, freshen up your breath. Bad breath can be a real downer, especially in a survival situation. But don't worry, baking soda is here to save the day. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of warm water and use it as a mouthwash. It even tastes fresh. Baking soda neutralizes odors and helps to freshen breath. Baking soda antacid soothe your stomach. Indigestion and heartburn can strike at any time, especially if you're eating unfamiliar foods or under stress. Baking soda can provide quick relief from these uncomfortable symptoms. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. The baking soda will neutralize excess stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn and indigestion. Splinters are the worst. They're painful and annoying and sometimes nearly impossible to remove. But don't worry, baking soda is here to help. Make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to the splinter. Cover with a bandage and leave it on overnight. The baking soda will help to draw out the splinter, making it easier to remove. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier with baking soda. Add half a cup of baking soda to your laundry detergent to boost its cleaning power. Baking soda helps to soften water, brighten whites, and eliminate odors. Plus, it's a natural alternative to harsh chemicals. Let's face it, stinky shoes are like uninvited guests at a party. But guess what? You don't have to tolerate them. Just sprinkle some baking soda inside your shoes after each use. It's like a mini spa day for your feet. And for the ultimate treatment, leave baking soda in your shoes overnight. It's like sending your shoes to a luxury retreat. We've all been there. You spend a little too much time in the sun and end up with a nasty sunburn. Ouch. Baking soda can help soothe the pain and inflammation of a sunburn. Add a cup of baking soda to a cool bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it directly to the sunburn. Protect your garden from pesky insects and critters with baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda around the perimeter of your garden to deter slugs, snails, and other crawling insects. You can also mix baking soda with water to create a spray to protect your plants from fungal diseases. Baking soda is a camper's best friend. Use it to clean your camping gear, cookware, and even yourself. Baking soda can be used to clean dirty dishes, remove food stains from clothing, and even freshen up your sleeping bag. It's the ultimate multi-purpose cleaner for all your outdoor adventures. So there you have it, folks. 15 incredible survival uses for baking soda. Who knew this humble pantry staple could be so versatile? It's not just for baking anymore. From fighting fires to freshening your breath, baking soda is the ultimate survival multi-tool. It can even help with minor burns and insect bites. And speaking of survival, are you prepared for the unexpected? Emergencies can happen at any time, and having a well-stocked food pantry crucial. Head over to survivalcavefood.com right now and stock up on the best canned meats and dehydrated meals available. We have a wide variety of options to suit all your appetites. Use code YTV at checkout for 20% off and free shipping. This is a great deal to ensure you're ready for any situation. That's code YTV at survivalcavefood.com. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Don't wait until it's too late to prepare. Being proactive can make all the difference in an emergency. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome survival tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more valuable content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. We upload regularly and you won't want to miss out on our latest tips. Now I want to hear from you. Your feedback is important to us. What are your favorite uses for baking soda? It's amazing how many different ways it can be used around the house. Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. We love reading your creative ideas and might even feature some in our next video.